Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to use Royal Frisage hair care, which is mine. I'm so excited. I'm just trying to like calm it down for this video. Okay. So it's obviously wash day. I mean, whoa. I'm going to start off with the Oats Protein Hair Mask. Now, it smells amazing. It does have visible specks of the nutmeg, of the pumpkin extract, allspice, so you will definitely see specks of all the natural ingredients that went into this hair mask. Let's talk about it. Okay, so I'm gonna talk more about each individual product as I'm putting it in my hair, so don't worry, we're gonna get to that. After I use the hair mask, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the Piña Coco Styling Cream. This is more for hydration and it smells like piña. Like I said, when I use it, I'm going to talk more about it. This is for type 3 and type 4 hair types, but everything else is for all hair types. Okay. Then I'm going to top it off with the Hydrating Curling Jelly. This is like, you know what, you got to buy it to see what I'm talking about, but don't even worry about it. You're going to get there. So I'm going to get started. As per usual, I'm going to do the first 2 pieces with you guys and do the rest on my own, and then you will see the final results. Okay, so I went ahead and detangled and wet my hair so that I can easily put in the products and talk to you guys. So, like I said, we're going to start off with the Oats Protein Hair Mask. It smells like vanilla. It is amazing. You might be wondering, honestly, like, oh, how do you even know if your hair needs protein, right? Good, that's a good question. So if your hair is feeling dry, if it's weak, just like your body needs protein, so does your hair. Mind you, this is not just a protein hair mask, it is also moisturizing, and you feel it the moment you put it in your hair. It feels amazing. It is just sliding right on through. It is super soft, creamy. So you want to apply this in sections, just like you would your deep conditioner, just like you would your styling cream. I'm going to apply it in sections all the way down to the ends. Now, while I apply it to this side, we're going to talk about what's in this protein hair mask. So you have allspice powder, you have cinnamon powder, you have pumpkin extract, you have nutmeg, you also have wheat protein, you have vitamin B5. Guys, like, this stuff is amazing. But yeah, so like I said, just like you do deep conditioning treatments every week, you want to make sure to at least do a protein treatment once a month. And I did put that on the bottle. It literally brings your hair back to life. Like, I just cannot wait for you guys to try this product and then do videos and tag me so I could see how happy you are, because I promise you're going to be ecstatic. So that was me talking about the protein treatment. Now we're going to go ahead and apply our Piña Coco Styling Cream. Now, it does have a slightly thick consistency. That smells so good. It has a light piña smell. I didn't want to make the smell too heavy, especially when it comes to hair products. I like light smells. I'm not like a heavy fragrance type of person. So the Piña Coco does smell very light. It feels so moisturizing. Like I stated earlier, this is for type 3, type 4 hair. Because it is for hair that needs hydration, like myself. I have 3C hair. Some places I have 4A hair. It just depends on where you're looking. It's going in so smooth. My hair already feels so moisturized. I love this stuff. My God. Look at that. And obviously it defines your hair as you're putting it in. Look at this. What? Okay. So I do not want to put in too much of the styling cream because then your hair just doesn't come out right. So now I'm going to add a little bit of water before I add my gel. Sometimes you just need to add water instead of more product to get the definition that you're looking for. Yeah, so do that. I do that all the time regardless. I always add more water before I add my gel. It just became a habit and I love how it comes out. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the Hydrating Curling Jelly. It is called Hydrating Curling Jelly for a reason. Again, it smells like piña. I did label this as a stronghold gel because when you only need a very little bit of this gel, okay? And when you are applying it to your hair, it feels like a stronghold. Your curls automatically form together, okay? But now when you are diffusing or air drying, however you prefer, it is so soft and does not leave a crunch at all. And your hair is like so free. If you guys have watched my videos, you know I like that big, free, hair in the wind type of look. And that is exactly what this gel provides. So it's a strong hold as you're applying it because your curls just form together, as you can see. And then when you go to diffuse, because I like to diffuse, it's super soft, like soft to the touch. Oh, this is the end result. I know. You guys know I love my hair big, so I'm obviously just gonna keep fluffing. I diffused it, picked it with a pick, ruffled it, whatever you want to call it, messed it up with my hands, did what I had to do to get it as big as possible. This is obviously day one hair, so it's going to be bigger tomorrow, but I'm going to do a close-up to show you guys how defined my hair is. It is so soft. I know that you cannot tell in the camera, but oh my god, like, you don't understand. There's no stiffness at all. It is super soft. I love it. I am so happy and I cannot wait for you to try my products.